Right, I've just launched for the competition. I was running a little bit late. I was umming and ahhing whether to go because the wind was so bad. It's not too bad here at the moment, but when I get further out, we'll hit it. Most boats have already launched. I was the last to launch, but I'm not bothered. It's only for charity, and I'm just, if I catch anything, that's whatever. I'm only taking part for a bit of fun. But yeah, it is blowing a bit. We've got a rescue boat, so if I need towing in, I'll give them a shout on the radio. But there's lots of different things. It's heaviest basket, I think it is. Biggest fish. I don't know if there's a teams one, but I'm just going to go for biggest fish. It's just a bit of fun. When I was out this morning, it was all small stuff I was catching. So, yeah. Bigger than that. I'll put him back, I'll get something bigger. Yeah. Oh, I think we're into another little one. Don't want little ones. Just curly after curly today. Go on then. Come on, you big brothers. Constantly small pollock and coralies. I just can't get past them to get to decent fish. Right, it's released its cell anyway. But yeah, that's, I'm not complaining, it's fun, but I can get all these at home if I want small fish. I was hoping we'd get into some bigger fish. Well, that wind seems to be dropping a little bit, so that's a bonus. I've probably been fishing, what, a good hour and a half, and I must have had 20 pollock and coalie, small stuff, if not more. I've lost count, I stopped filming them. So, I know there's some decent stuff somewhere, but I'm just trying to find them. Just not going for the lows today. It's not like that first day that I turned up. It was pollock after pollock. Now it's all small stuff. I don't know in this competition how well the boats are doing. Let's see. In again, another little pollock. Don't know how well these boats are doing. They were doing like long lining and stuff. They're allowed 10 kilogram of £10 mackerel or something like that. I can't remember what it is. I've got the rules written down somewhere beside the kayak. I'm not fishing for mackerel. That just released itself. Gave me a job. Just turning with this wind, it makes it hard work. Turn round and paddle, not too bad. When you get side onto the wind, it's hard work. To really dig in. That's it, now I'm round, it's not too bad. The sun's shining, what could we ask for? Hopefully less wind. Some big fish. Well, as you can probably see, it's too windy to fish, which I knew it would be really. I had a small pollock. It's not worth weighing in there. I didn't want to keep it, just for the sake of keeping it. I'm going to have a paddle back in, got one fish straight back in. I'll probably hopefully see some fish up weighing thing when the boats catch. It'd be interesting to see what they catch. It's just too windy. We're blowing about 18-19 miles an hour. It's funneling straight down this bay, so I'm like trying to paddle into it. If I stop, I'll just go backwards. So yeah, just gonna have a slow paddle. It'll take me about an hour to get in. I'm not going to be the last back on the beach. Still got half an hour, so I'm early. So I'll probably beat the boats back, which is a good thing. It's a long old slog against that wind.
Neil H.
Was this a kayak?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me find you. At least you've brought something, the rest are all 10.35. 10.35. So this is Neil.
Yeah, we can't carry buckets of mackerel on our
Is this?
Just them few to weigh in.
Yeah. Is this? Yeah. Yeah.
Bit poor, but.
Yeah. So this. So there's Lee.
This is Lee, yes.
Yeah. Good. 690. 690. That's right.
You can't swim out, so you can swim out.
And second, we 16 in. Oh, second place is Bobby Smith. We're on to the seniors now, and the heaviest basket there is Wally Maud with 50.4 pounds. I think they're all turn to see she can go home. And in second place, another one that's going home is Keith Smith with 39.3 pounds. Now we're on to the best fruit line, the most fruit, and that goes this year to the verdict, Richard Spence. The heaviest fish goes to Keith Smith with 19.1 pounds. Heaviest flatfish goes to Drew Thompson at 10 pounds. Must be 2 pounds. Next prize is the heaviest blind haul. Nobody else but myself. The best team of two, which is drawn into a hat, goes to Wally Maud and Cheryl Jamieson.
Speech! Speech!
Now we're on to the most unfortunate competitor of the day. And they said there were only one person that could qualify this year, and that's Robert Gray. And he lost about 3 times.